A retail manager is the person ultimately responsible for the day-to-day operations of a retail store. All employees working in the store report to the retail manager. A store manager reports to a district or general manager. Roles and responsibilities. Responsibilities of a store manager include recruiting, performance management, and schedule workplace scheduling, product management, including ordering, receiving, price changes, handling damaged products, and returns, team development, facilitating staff learning, training, and development, problem-solving, handling unusual circumstances, to understand the customer service principles, to handle problems and questions to customers, basic computer applications in stores management and materials control. Sales generation. A store manager must meet the monthly, quarterly, or annual sales goals, depending on the company's fiscal cycle. This involves setting individual sales goals, holding contests for employees, or offering sales promotions. The manager may also find ways to make employees more productive to meet the goals. Thus, the store manager may be forced to reduce payroll expenditures by decreasing employees' hours, or otherwise reducing operating cost. A store manager should motivate his or her team to achieve the target set for the store. A store manager should set an example for his or her subordinates to follow. Safety and security. The store manager is the store's primary key holder and may be called to the store before, during, or after business hours in the event of an emergency. They are also responsible for the safety of all customers and employees on store premises. Store managers may be required to hold safety meetings, especially as dictated by union practices in cases where store employees belong to a union. Division of responsibility. A store manager may have several subordinates who have management-level responsibility. These employees may be called assistant managers, department managers, supervisors, key holders, shift leads, or leads. A store manager has overall responsibility for all day-to-day activity of the store. Managing and controlling staff, and planning are essential points of the store manager. Hiring, training and development. The store manager is responsible for hiring, training, and in some cases, development of employees. The manager must ensure staffing levels are adequate to effectively operate the store, and ensure employees receive training necessary for their job responsibilities. Managers may be responsible for developing employees so the company can promote employees from within and develop future leaders, potentially for employment at other locations. The role of store managers with regards to the other employees varies from company to company and each respective company's operating methods, but in general a store manager will be required to deal with and try to solve any and all problems that may occur at any given time. See also, List of management topics, List of marketing topics, shopkeeper.